channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you and it's called The Shooting Star. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So for this activity, you're gonna need a few household items. You're gonna use one sock, some bouncy balls or ping pong balls, and a bucket. Those are the only items you're gonna need. All right, so I'm gonna go to place the ball in the middle and then I'm gonna launch it out. If the ball shoots out and then bounces but still makes it in the bucket, that counts. If the ball bounces off the wall, the door, whatever you guys have around, and it lands inside the bucket, it counts. If the ball just rolls and magically pops up and lands inside the bucket, guess what? You guessed right, it counts. So as long as the ball ends up inside of the bucket, that's all that matters. Here we go. Put it in the middle, and when I'm ready, I'm gonna just pull away from my body and hopefully make it in. All right, that's one. All right, number 5 went in. Oh, number 6 went in. Oh, number 7. Number 8. Oh, well, it's like number 9. Sorry. Oh. And that was 10. Here we go. Oh, there we go, on his first shot, number 1. Good try, number 2. Number 3 goes in. All right, number 5, no good. Oh, number 6 goes in. Oh, number 7, no good. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of Shooting Star. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
Please comment below. What was your final score? What did you use for the activity? We'd love to know. Drop a comment below. Also, as a reminder, at the pespot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.